Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by assembling measured ingredients and tools. This saves time and prevents guesswork. Combine 300 g flour with 1 tsp salt in the bowl, then add 1/2 tsp yeast or baking powder depending on rise needed. Pour 200 ml liquid gradually while mixing to reach a cohesive dough. Don't overhydrate. Once the mixture forms a loose mass, rest for 5 minutes to let flour absorb moisture. Then fold gently. This creates structure without heavy gluten development, so your final product stays tender. You now shape texture and build flavor through controlled handling. Once the dough is cohesive, knead or fold for 3 to 5 minutes. This develops enough gluten for chew without toughness. Add 30 g fat or oil in 2 portions. Fat interrupts long gluten strands and yields tenderness. Taste and adjust with 10 to 20 g sugar or a pinch more salt to balance flavors. If you want extra aromatics, fold in herbs or zest now. Make sure to rest briefly between folds so the dough relaxes and springs back. You finish by transferring the shaped dough into the pan and baking at 180 degrees. Timing ranges 18 to 25 minutes depending on size and thickness. Once done, cool on a rack for 10 to 15 minutes to set crumb, then brush with butter or a light glaze for shine and moisture. If the result is dense, check 3 things: oven temperature accuracy, proofing time, and freshness of leavening agents. Replace stale yeast or powder. Adjust next batch accordingly and repeat. Small tweaks solve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.